Hi guys, I'm Carly Hernandez. I'm from Galleries Tower High Risers, outside theater. Since malapit na yung liga namin this season, we practice every day. Isang araw lang pahinga namin, which is Sunday. Anything with cardio. For me as an athlete, siguro yung hirap, yung sacrifices every training, especially everyday kami nagka-training. So, time and effort, siguro yun yung magpapamotivate to win. Hindi ako mabilis mag-give up. Libero, kasi yun yung last na position ko before ako maging spiker ulit. Unang-una kong tinitingnan sa volleyball shoes is yung kung gaano siya ka-safe pag ginagamit siya sa game and sa trainings. So far, nagaanan ako sa kanya dun sa shoes. And medyo gusto ko kasi sa shoes is yung fit siya talaga sa paa ko. So wala siyang time to move pagka gumagalaw ako inside the court. So nakuha niya yun. So dun ko siya nagustuhan kasi comfy ako pagka nasa loob ng court. This is Carly Hernandez. See you in PVL and witness the power in every serve. Believe we can.